guys, William from Executive Smash Repairs. Today's just a quick one, just to inform you guys of the importance of what's happening underneath your cars and the quality of repairs that you guys don't actually see. So if we come a little bit closer to this bumper bar, you see it's been painted before, but it's just peeling away as if nothing's ever happened. Now, that's not supposed to happen. This car's come in for extra repairs. It's going to actually cost them even more now to have this fixed because of the way that it was repaired last time. We had an indication that this was repaired at a preferred repairer. So next time your insurance company wants you to go to one of their own repairers, just keep in mind that some of the stuff that comes from there isn't necessarily as good. Not to say that everybody's bad, but we're seeing a lot of this stuff from specific repair shops lately. So when you go to choose your repairer, make sure it's somebody you trust and somebody you know. Thanks, guys.